morning. TGIF. And guess where I am at? Oh, there's Elizabeth and Daisy. We are at one of the trails here in Denver, Colorado, and there's a waterfall. I forgot the name of the trail, but I'll put it on my wordings later because it's very pretty and awesome, but I need to be careful.